Hi, my name is Mark Everett, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to create a custom wall button for your tool palette that will allow you to draw varying widths of wall thicknesses. As you can see right here, I have them set up for 4 and 7/8 and 3.5, 3 and 3/4, and 12. So basically what you do is you go to your Tools, Customize, Interface. Then in this dialog box, you bring up custom commands. Now, as you can see, I have these created already here, but for the demonstration, I'll create one. That window disappears. You just go back down, select command, and you can see this custom command here was put in here. So we're going to pick on it, right click, and rename. We'll call this wall line test. Okay, now that we have that created, I'll pick on it, and you can see in the macros area here that it's empty. And from the custom macros area within the Block Factory package, you can actually just copy and paste these in here. So I'm just going to copy this line here, which is used to create that particular custom block, and we're going to paste that in here. Highlight this, paste. Now what that does is actually, I'm going to hit this button here, it just creates the double line command, which is already part of AutoCAD. It's just I'm giving you the macro to actually create a layer called wall lines, and then the set line colors to it, and the line weight and everything. So we're going to select that, and then in addition to it, you can see there's no icon. So what you would do is go up here, and as you've got this one selected, you'll go up here and just pick one. Obviously, I picked the double line. You can go in and customize that further, but I don't have time to go into that right at this point here. But it shows two double lines next to one another. We're going to hit apply. Now, I've got this tool palette already created, but what you do is once you've created this command, then you just pick on it, press down on your left button of your mouse, and drag it up to your tool palette and place it. And there you go. Now you've created it for, in this particular case, it can be anything. So once you pick on it, it will ask you to put a width in here. But I'm going to actually press down on my control key and just copy this over. And I'm going to copy it twice. Now basically what I'm doing here is if I right click on this and hit properties, it's going to actually finish off with what I put in there for the first one. Now if I go to again to my word sheet where I've actually finished them off and added a wall thickness, some various information, I can copy that and place it in here and paste that. Okay. Now that I've done that for this particular wall type, it will draw wall thicknesses of 3.5. Now if I just go to the next one, which is in the tool palette, and I hit properties and I do the same exact thing, paste that in, then I can just go into this particular area and put in whatever width I wanted to come up to, 4 7/8, and so on. So if you get the idea, so I hit OK here. Now let's just demonstrate real quickly how to use those. When I pick on this command, I'm just going to draw, zoom in here, and hit return. And as you can see, when I check the width of that's 3.5. If I pick on the next one, and I zoom in here, and I pick the same thing, I have a wall thickness of that. And real quick, sometimes you want to have a break line on the end. Here are some custom break lines I've already set up that you can place in here. This one's 4 and 7/8 already, so it will fit. Let's try that again. Place that on the end here. And again, that one will stretch to any width. But if you set them up already, just like we do with the wall thickness, you can get them to be whatever width of the wall thickness that you need. I hope that's helpful. Thank you very much.